Environmental Studies MCQs. Which of the following is called as autotrophs? Algae and green plants. A root hair does not contain chloroplast. Where in India do flamingos migrate to nest in large numbers? Run of Kutch. Who is the security advisor to the Union Home Minister? K. Vijay Kumar. Which city does not traditionally hold Kumbh Mela? Varanasi. Which of the following is not a determining factor climate of a place? None of the above. Which of the following amendment was passed during the emergency 42nd Amendment? The provisions of Wildlife Protection Act are prohibit killing and hunting of specified animals, constitute sanctuaries, national parks and closed area for wildlife conservation, special scheme for preservation of endangered species. Consider the following statement about the photochemical smoke. Select the correct statement. Both are correct, that is, it is formed due to the photochemical reaction in the presence of NO2, hydrocarbon, and tropospheric ozone. It causes eye irritation, cracking of rubber, plant damage, and reduced visibility. Which of the following is not true about biomass energy source? Atomic energy is biomass energy. Which article of the Constitution of India empowers the Supreme Court to safeguard the fundamental rights of the Indian citizens? Articles 32. The first multilingual news agency of India was Hindustan Samachar, in which organ RBC are selectively destroyed, recycled by macrophages, spleen. Which of the following biomes is comprised of trees that lose their leaves in the winter? Temperate deciduous forest. Dash and Dash were set up to promote credit supplies in rural areas. RRB and Land Development Bank. Which of the following is not a negative impact of urbanization on the environment? Waste recycling. The members of Gram Sabha are registered voters of village panchayat. Consider the following statement about global warming and climate change. Select the incorrect statements. So second one is incorrect, that is global warming is the only reason behind climate change. Match list 1 with list 2. Pasteurization, milk, fermentation, sauerkraut, sugaring, jam. Select the incorrect statement from the following. So the incorrect one is the breeding and rearing of earthworm for farming is called sericulture. People have now started using more personal modes of transport. Which of the following would be effect or effects of this activity? Increase in particular matter in the air, a decrease in natural resources, and increase in noise level. The northernmost point of India is known as Indira Col. The main global contributing factor to greenhouse gas emissions are electricity production and transportation. Which among the following pairs are correctly matched? Rekha Sharma, chairperson of National Commission for Women. In case of a parasitic food chain, the shape of the pyramid of number is always inverted. The language of preamble of the Indian Constitution is taken from the Constitution of Australia. Which of the following is not considered as a suitable teaching learning method in EVS? Chalk and talk method. Which volcanic eruption caused the year without summer? Mount Tambora. Which one of the following is an unhealthy habit? So, only D1, that is eating without washing one's hand. The hemoglobin is found exclusively in RBCs.